Thanks for checking back with Melissa. And my next review is on super affiliate hacks. And right now I'm going to scroll down to the video on this particular software and let the owner tell you about it himself. And then I'll come right on back. Let's get him started.
In commissions into my account in a single month. And it's one of a handful of the super affiliate hacks I'm going to show you. If you sincerely put this, my super affiliate hacks to use and don't see more commissions, bigger commissions, faster commissions than any repackaged affiliate system or magic software you bought from anyone lately, not only will I give you money back, I actually give you $100 right out of my back pocket. What do I mean by repackaged affiliate systems? What kind of magic softwares? You know exactly what I'm talking about. It's the same stuff, but repackaged with a new name month after month. If you ask me, it's a shameless cash grab, but I don't have time to get into that right now because I have so much to tell you about my $200,000 per month super affiliate hack. You actually laugh when you see how I did it because it's the exact opposite of what's in those silly repackaged systems. Magic software doesn't hold a candle to it either. Let me tell you something. For me, this one little hack was the missing link between 5 and 6 figures per month in commissions. That's no joke. So click the order button below and access it right away at the special introductory price before the price goes up. Because maybe this one underground affiliate hack is the missing link in your affiliate business too. Here's the thing. It doesn't require massive traffic. It doesn't take a huge list to put it off. It takes only a fraction of the traffic and you need you would actually think. In fact, it doesn't have anything to do with that. It has nothing to do with magic software either. And believe it or not, a rank rookie can use it to launch themselves to a super affiliate status almost immediately. As crazy as it sounds, it doesn't take any new special skills. It's not technical. It doesn't take like exhausting learning curves. It's nothing like that, okay? And actually, here's a hint, and it's the only one I'm giving. Your biggest problem is you've been taught to circle what I call commission carcasses, like a flock of buzzards. All the commissions have already been picked clean. By the time you learn the so-called new system, you're fighting over tiny bits of meat on the bone. My super affiliate hacks is like standing 5 feet from a 12-point buck slowly drinking from a stream while you're carrying an AK-47. It's an easy kill and the commissions are aplenty. So go ahead and order now. I know you've heard it all and seen it. You've heard all the hype. You've seen all the regurgitated systems and magic software come and go. You're about to find this is nothing like that. Get access to the members area and check it out right now. If you haven't ordered yet and you're still watching this video, you probably have a question. Why would I share the hack that has made me $200,000 in commissions in a month? There's actually 3 reasons for this. One, it's not the kind of secret that hurts me to share with you. It's not like I have to keep it close to my vest. And 2, more money. What's better than $200,000? $300,000. So I'm selling the hack itself to make even more money. Free. I want to prove to you and to the world I'm the go-to guy when it comes to learning how to make the fattest commissions possible online. I'm looking to take the throne and become the king of huge commissions. Plus, when you order now, I'm actually tossing in 6 limited time bonuses. Bonus 1, you get my business in a box that will launch you into a whole new world of commissions in less than 10 minutes. I created it to help struggling affiliates shortcut their way to super affiliate status. It's called my Super Funnel Hero System, and it's already proven by over 25,000 customers who actually paid for it, and you get it completely free. Why am I giving you this bonus for free when you order Super Affiliate Hacks right now? Because you'll be able to use the Super Affiliate Hacks, show you in the main product along with the Super Funnel Hero System. It's going to be like spitting an atom. So be prepared for a massive commission explosion. Have you ever paid for traffic only to watch your money go up in smoke? In bonus 2, I'm going to show you a free traffic loophole I've only given to my high-end coaching clients. My coaching clients have shelled out $5,000, $10,000 and more to learn what you're going to discover for free when you order Super Affiliate Hacks right now. Okay, so how do you access these bonuses? You may be wondering. After you order, you go to members area. Inside the members area, you look for a bonus that says Super Affiliate Secrets, okay? Click it and be prepared for your jaw to practically become unhinged. You'll slap yourself in the forehead and wonder, why didn't I think of that? Don't feel bad. Only a small handful of people know about it, and you're about to be one of them. Next, we have bonus 3. You get my Easy Profit Rolodex. Inside, I reveal the best paying products to promote as an affiliate. I'm talking about high ticket commissions. Look, If you want to play with the big boys, you have to have access to the big ticket commissions and affiliate programs. The problem is, even if you find them, no one wants to let you promote them. I'll show you how to get backdoor access into some of the most exclusive big ticket programs that no one has ever told you about. Now, for the fourth bonus, first of all, there is no catch. Yes, you get all these bonuses for free when you stop everything you're doing and buy Super Affiliate Hacks right now. Yes, there is no additional costs. Yes, others are paid good money for these products that you're getting completely free today. Back to the bonuses you're getting. Bonus number 4, okay? I'm going to save you $97 per month. You get free lifetime access to my all-in-one page builder. It's called Super Funnel Pages, and people buy it every single day. Every day I get notification of payment received emails for Super Funnel Pages. They had to pay for it, but you get it for free when you order Super Affiliate Hacks right now. Go ahead and cancel your $97 per month subscription to your current page builder because I've just saved you $1,164 per year. Bonus number 5. Now, get this. For bonus number 5, I'm tossing in a free coaching session. On this live coaching session, I'm going to reveal how I generate commissions on total autopilot. You'll also find out how I generate millions of paid visitors without costing me a dime. Paid visitors for free? That's hard to wrap your head around. I get it. You have to be on the live coaching session to find out exactly what I'm talking about. It's a secret method that we all know how people in the IMN space like to steal. So that's what I'm going to say right now. Here's the 6th and final bonus you are getting. You get lifetime updates to Super Affiliate Hacks. Most products sellers charge more money, when they release like a 2.0 or 3.0 update. You don't have to worry about that. With Super Affiliate Hacks, because you get lifetime access and all the updates with no extra cost. Now, here's the thing to remember about these 6 bonuses. I reserve the right to yank them at any time, okay? Why am I buying all these amazing limited time bonuses? I want to put together a crazy offer by the likes of no one has ever seen. And like I said, I want to take my royal place on the throne as king of huge commissions. I want to be as the known go-to guy who has helped most affiliates all over the world to have the biggest commission paydays anyone has ever seen. Here's why. Because when you get into the members area and you start making massive commissions for the first time in your life, potentially, you're going to become my customer for life. This means you buy from me now and over and over, and in the future, which only actually benefits us both. So stop everything you're doing right now and head into the members area now, okay? You're going to be blown away with how simple it is and how fast your life can actually change. Everything in your life can change literally overnight with systems like these. You're going to be pleasantly surprised when you refresh your affiliate account and see a whole pile of cold hard commissions. Secret to 6 figures per month in commissions has been right under your nose the whole time. Remember, I'm putting $100 on the line here. When you try out my Super Affiliate Hacks, it must choke slam the daylights of any other affiliate system or software you bought. This $100 is yours. Order now before the price increases.
All right, you guys, here's the click here to order now before it's too late button with the treasure chest of the bonuses all for you. And I will be including with this particular bonuses my own 20 bonuses that will also enhance the effectiveness of this product. So I am very excited for you to give this a go. And he's an excellent, excellent affiliate, and I can't wait for you to try it. Click the link, subscribe, like, and I will see you soon. Have a great weekend.